welcome to CSCO, Crafts with Sharlene. Today we're going to do a special episode. It's going to be a Father's Day one. I hope you're going to enjoy the crafts that we're going to be doing today. Alright, so the first craft that we're going to need is some paper. It doesn't matter what type of paper you need. It could be heavy ones, it could be light, computer. And we're going to take it out. Any color you want. So we're going to make this into a t-shirt. So what I am going to do is you'll need a pencil and a ruler. The first step is you're just going to draw lines, not all the way in. I've been kind of going with my ruler, tip of my ruler, and maybe about 3 or 4 notches in on either side. So it will look like this. Okay. Now, if your page does rip at the bottom a little bit, that's okay. You can snip this off a little bit, so it doesn't matter how long your page is going to be. All I'm going to do is now take the scissors and snip across my line. So this art project is going to be a t-shirt for your dad. I'm just going to snip the little tear off. Again, size doesn't really matter. Now we have this. We're going to put this to the side. Now, I have my ties. These here, I have gotten online, and we'll put a link at the bottom of our webpage so you can print them off yourself. So, any ties that we'll use. If you wanted a blank tie, you can go ahead and place a white piece of paper over top of the one tie and just trace it out. Now you can color or paint, use crayons, markers to color your tie, whatever colors you want. Use your imagination, it doesn't matter. If you are doing paint and then you're doing it on a blank tie, I would recommend to put like painter's tape across on the page so you don't have your colors blending. And I'll show you later at the end of the video. I did paint one for a reference as well. Now I'm gonna just take my pencil crayons, and again, any color that you would like it to be. I'm gonna start with my yellow, and I'm just gonna once you're done coloring all your picture, then cut it out. Now, once you have cut out your tie and it's done, you'll take your paper, and then I usually will place my tie in the middle of the paper. The 2 corners that we've cut, you're going to just fold it as a diagonal over your tie. Once you have it ready in the place, then you're just going to glue it down. It's okay if half of your top of your tie is covered up by your t-shirt. t-shirt, the tie is done. What you can do next is up to you. You can leave it blank, or you can put little dots on the t-shirt. If you do have some cool stickers around, you can use some stickers. So today we're going to use some Avengers because we know dads are superheroes to us. And we're just going to stick some stickers along on the t-shirt. Your dad is a superhero. And you can place them anywhere on your worksheet. Oh, sorry, not your worksheet. Your t-shirt for dad. What's that? You can put as many as you want, so it doesn't really matter how many. Now, if you lift the tie, just take, I'm gonna just take my pencil. You can use markers. The things with markers, you just gotta make sure it doesn't bleed through the back of the paper. Now, underneath the tie, you can just say Happy Father's Day, or you can say how many things that I love about you, Dad. Anything. Be personal with it. And there you go. I just said Happy Father's Day, and you can put love and your name on it. And then that is our first one. Now for our next craft, we're gonna mix your dad a wallet. So again, you just need a piece of paper. We're gonna take the ruler, and then you're gonna go not too much down on the top side of the piece of paper, and then you're just gonna draw a line. Then all you're gonna do is cut it along the line. Keep that scrap piece of paper for the end because you'll need it for your pocket inside your wallet. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your piece of paper and you're gonna fold it not all the way to the top. You're gonna leave a little ledge like this. You'll have a little ledge up. Once you get it right, you're gonna unfold it. Woo! Maybe, whoops. I guess the glue does not want to stay on the table today. You're gonna take your glue stick. On the one side, you're just gonna glue it down. Put some glue on there, and then you're gonna fold it back over. And you're just gonna glue it down. You can press on it, make sure that it sticks. Once that's done, all you do is you're just gonna fold it lengthwise in half. So when you open it up, you'll have a little wall. Now, you're gonna take your pencil crayons, markers, paint if you want, and you're gonna draw like little stitches on your wallet. Now, depending on the paper, is depending on how hard you can press with markers. Because if it's very light paper, like computer paper, it will soak through onto the other side. All you're gonna do is you're gonna put little dashes in between the center of your wallet, on the edges on your wallet, along the bottom, as well. And then you're going to repeat on the other side. Now I'm only going to wear we glued it and not doing the top of the flap. So it will look like that once you're done. Then you're going to take the same marker and then do it along the sides on the front. On the front, you don't want to go all the way up because you have that little lip. So you want to go halfway. And then you're going to repeat the back side of this as well. Now your wallet can be any color. It does not have to be brown. You can use any color you want. Once you're done, you're going to open it back up. Now the piece of paper that you have will need it because you can put, this is going to be a pocket. Then if you have a gift card for your dad, then what you want to do is just basically leave a little bit of little edge on either side, and then you're going to snip it. I've already pre-cutted mine, and all I'm going to do is take my glue, move along the bottom and the sides, but not the top, because you need that place to put your gift card in. And then you're going to put it in somewhat in the center of the paper. And again, you're going to push down to seal the glue show paper. Then you're going to take your marker, whatever color you use, and then you're going to just draw little straight lines again. So it looks like it's been, your holder has been sewn into the wallet. Now once you're done, it will look like this. Now, you can use your wallet. You can test out your gift card. You can put your gift card in there. Voila. Now, take another piece of paper. You might want to fold it in half. Go fold it in half and then cut it. Depending on your length of your wallet, you want to make sure that you can fit it inside your wallet, and will have a little saying, so you can work with it. I've already pre-cut one for myself. Different color, doesn't matter. And then you can just put it into your wallet like that. Now on this card, it has Dad, or you can say Happy Father's Day. Then this card says, I wouldn't want any other dad, you're the best. You can write any sayings on your card. Be creative. It is Father's Day and your dads work hard as well. Once that's done, you can fold it up. Now you can you can personalize your front of the wallet if you like. You can go ahead and write Happy Father's Day and still have another card in there. You could, if you know your dad likes to tinker, you can add stickers to the wallet. Like I said, it doesn't matter what you do to the front as well, because it gives a little bit more little person. Also too, if you wanted to, if you have a small picture of you and your dad that you can cut out, and it is a duplicate and it's okay with your mom, go ahead, cut it out and paste a picture here as well and everything. So that is your wallet for Dad for Father's Day. I've also made another one, just the same, but this one is orange. I personalized this with a V as well. You can do your dad's first initial. Doesn't have to be stickers. You can draw on it, whatever you like. Well, I hope today you like Crafts with Sharlene. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day.